Again, PROBAT friends, and welcome to our second heat session regarding our service topics. In our last session, as you may remember, we talked about how you can get prepared for service. And we talked about interesting topics like consulting, service management, installation, commissioning. And now we are here to talk about how you can get supported. And therefore I welcome Maike and Max. And Maike will now start to introduce herself.
Thank you, Karsten. Hi, my name is Maike. I'm working at PROBAT since already 13 years. And in the whole time I have been working in the service department. Last year in January I started as head of customer support department.
Yeah.
Currently in our team we are 5 team members. We are 3 electrical engineers and 2 mechanical engineers who are working together with our customers on problem solving. Yeah, we are offering general support. Dear customers, we are available Monday to Friday from 7:30 up to 5 o'clock in the evening, Central European time. You can contact us via phone, as well as by email. For more detailed information, just have a look at our PROBAT website or just contact somebody at PROBAT where your telephone number is known. General customer support. How are we able to support you? We are offering several kinds of supports. It's remote or on-site. Any kind of question is welcome at our company, so don't hesitate to contact us anytime. For example, if you would like to have a manual, we are able to offer it to you, or if you are having any issues with your machine, it doesn't matter if it's software related or it's a mechanical defect. For example, if you have a defective seal, we are able to offer you the correct spare part and are always ready to help how to solve this issue and how to exchange the seal. We could also help by a software error, any process. Just for an example, if you have incorrect batch reporting with your roasting machine, there we are already able to help as well. Yes.
Very interesting. Thank you, Maike. Just jump in, but there's one upcoming question to all these wide range of things you are doing. Is how do you organize this? That sounds very difficult.
Mm-hmm. We currently are working with a customer relationship management tool, CRM system. All of the requests which are incoming via phone or via email are reported automatically in our CRM system. A customer support ticket as a reference is opened, and the customer also gets it automatically back via email, the customer support ticket number. This ticket number is very important to us. With this ticket number, everyone at PROBAT who is having access to the CRM tool is able to have a look at your customer support ticket.
That sounds very well organized, and I think that is the aim should be to serve the customer as fast as possible.
Exactly.
And when I now think about maybe practical example, if a customer, so I'm serving the Chinese market, for example, is having a problem with his roasting machine, and he needs support on this machine, how you can maybe serve the customer needs fast and maybe not so expensive. Are there any solutions?
Yeah, sure. We offering remote support. That means we can connect via VPN or via TeamViewer to your system. In this case, we are trying to connect and are trying to solve the issues as soon as possible. The main highlight of a remote service is that we are always available. We are a 24/7 hotline, and as well you can log in and have access to your roasting machine and to your plant, for example, so that we can solve this issue as soon as possible. And and the main point we are focusing on is to have to be obliged to send a service technician on site.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that is very takes a long time, and
takes a long
of
time,
course traveling costs, and that is
traveling costs are very expensive, and most of the issues which are software or server related, for example, can be solved by our first or second level support team. I would like to introduce my colleague Max.
Yeah.
He is a team member of our customer support department. He will show you how we are going to connect via VPN or via TeamViewer to your plant and how we are able to solve issues.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
My name is Max. I'm a team leader from customer support, and I show you how to get to the Pilot 2020 software from PROBAT, how we connect per remote. Here you can see I logged in before, so I see here's for the operator mode. The operator sees the screen when he's working in the operator room. So you can see how temperature you have in the product, and then you can see how color and how much water you come inside the process. And we can also look on the system by the customer and look how going on with the process. So if somebody has say by the process we have problems, we can look. And look together with the customer and say, you must look of this point or this point, and then we can see also the machine here. Here we have the machine. Here's the roaster and the cooler and something. When you have some issues, we can see, put here and look how the alarms is. You can here put it and see that the alarm, here's no alarm. And when we have some alarms, we can see it and look what is happened with the alarm or reset it. So maybe sometimes it's only to reset, or we can see, okay, here's the alarm coming back and back and back. So we must do some another points, spare parts or a new calibration. Yeah, here can you see it? Here in the down you can see the feeding hopper, where the coffee comes in. Here you can see this is an alarm. So here you can see that this alarm is red, so something is wrong. And here furling to stop, so the motor has not the right position.
Okay.
So you can fix it maybe. And you can see here the cooler and what happened with the cooler and where's the coffee inside. So when there's coffee in the roaster, we can see it because it's green, and then it goes in the cooler. It's going green because there's coffee, and so on. And on the end, the roasted coffee bean when going in the silo. So that is for the roaster Pilot 2020. And when we want to go to the plant from the customer, we can go on the plant here with the TeamViewer. I logged in. Let's open the screen. I can put it here. Then I give my password. And so I'm on the plant from the customer, and the customer can also chat with us with the TeamViewer here. Oh. Yeah, you can see that the customer can chatting with us about the problem, and here we can go to the plant things, so also to the roaster. And when you have something with issue or another problems, we can fix it with the program, with the TeamViewer.
Yeah, that sounds you can solve a lot of problems also remote, and so that you need no let's say configuration on site.
Yes.
But I think that also happens that maybe you cannot proceed with any remote solution, and so you need someone on site. How does it look like?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So if we face really the issue that we locate an issue which cannot be handled via remote, for an example, a thermocouple needs newly to be programmed.
Yeah.
This is something that cannot be done per remote.
Yeah.
Or just for an easy example, a bearing is defect.
Yeah,
It's a mechanical defect, so we can't do anything via remote access.
Yeah.
We can help the customer maybe to help himself.
Yeah.
We can partially instruct him how to exchange the bearing, for example, or we recommend someone for programming the thermocouple. But we also do have a lot of service technicians here at PROBAT, and then if it comes to the case that no remote help is successfully, we coordinate with our assembly coordinator service technician. So this means that the service technician is going to be offered to the customer, and when it comes to the order, we are going to instruct him. We coordinate that the spare parts are also on site at the same time, and we coordinate everything with the customer so that the issue which has been handled prior as a remote support is going to be an on-site support troubleshooting. Yeah.
So that is that leads one by one into each other.
Exactly. Yeah. So we do not even coordinate our own service technician. This also includes our partners like the Pro 40 system, or if you are facing an issue with the CU sensors. Yeah. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, very interesting. That sounds like a wide range of opportunities we have to serve our customer, and that reduce downtimes and keep the production going. Are there any other products in your portfolio that you want to highlight?
Yeah, sure. I would appreciate that. Yes, we do have our experts, as I already mentioned, available Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 o'clock in the evening. But we are also offering a 24/7 hotline. Yeah. That means that all of our customers can contact us anytime around the clock. Currently, there are 3 employees included on the call 24/7. This is our first level support, which means that these are the team members from the customer support department. They are trying to locate the issue, they're trying to help to solve the issues. If they are not successfully, mostly it's DMS related, or it's an issue or a bug in the software, then we also have a second level available during the 24/7 hotline. So this means if the customer support team member is not able to solve the issue, he can immediately contact the right person who is able to solve the issue. So, and if the issue is not able to be solved directly, we can, in German would call it, we will build a bridge so that we can keep the plant in operation until a service technician is available to fix the problem completely, for example.
Great.
Exactly.
Yeah, that sounds like we are there if there are any problems occurring during your production, then I think we have the best team to serve you with your problems and challenges. I think that was all and everything from your side.
No, not yet. I would also like to come to the point to a settlement. For sure. The service is not for free. We are also invoicing this. But for sure we are offering hourly quotas. The hourly quotas.
I want to keep that away because I'm a salesman. So.
Yeah, for sure. But nothing is for free in life, right? And yes, but it's very interesting for the customer to buy a contingent, for example. So we do give a huge amount of, I'm sorry, I'm not having the right word for it, but discounts. We are offering discounts on the contingent. So for example, when I have a request from a customer, I'm checking the last 5 years, how many hours we have invoiced in the past. and then I'm going to offer him in a bundle of hours.
Okay.
Just for an example, if he buys 40 hours for 12 months, then I'm going to calculate a discount of 10% of it.
Okay.
So this means that this is a huge effort, or a huge bonus for the customer.
It's a win-win situation for
absolutely.
everyone. Yeah,
exactly. So that we don't have to do the invoicing separately per support ticket, so that we have a huge overamount. And as well for the customer, it's very easy to plan his costs.
Yeah.
So he know that for customer support you have a budget of X hours or X value, for example. Exactly. So, and this I'm doing a reporting monthly based on this contingents, so that the customer always knows how many hours are left in his contingent.
So very transparent.
Exactly, it's very transparent. And we are also showing for which ticket, from which team member, or from which programmer or construction engineer the hours have been used.
Okay, very good.
Exactly.
Yeah, sounds amazing, I think. Is there anything else anyone from your side want to add?
At the moment, not.
Yeah?
No, me not.
Yeah, perfect. Then I would like to say thank you for this very interesting story of how to get supported. As you know, heard is that we have something to get prepared. We have now heard something of how to get supported. And now I'm very curious to hear what a Christian will say in our next heat session about how you can become an expert in time or in regards to service. And for now, I want to say thank you again, and bye-bye to our viewers, and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.